morning, guys. You join us at Gear Up 4x4 farm in Kommetjie today. We've got the guys from the Northern Cape here. They only know Kalahari sand, so rock is something very new for them. But we're going to show them what's what. Good morning, Pierre, in his 2.2 Ranger. So straight up into it, and there he's lost traction. So what he's going to do, just put the diff lock on and go through the obstacle nice and slow. It's not advised to turn with your diff lock, it can damage the gearing. Once you're through the obstacle, stop, diff lock off. Easy as that. So Gear Up is a really nice obstacle course. Really nice place to come out and learn your vehicle. You can play around in high range and low range, practice using the diff lock. And there you can hear the side step scratching. Yeah, again, these standard little side steps, they took quite a beating today, I must say, but when we inspected it afterwards, there was no damage. Even the brackets held up really well. So you'll see that left rear tire dropping down there. Look at the amount of flex he's getting. Oh, nice exhaust. He did a free flow on that. So yeah, I'm in the Pajero, just trying to keep it nice and far to the right. Throttle control is really important on this little section, as it is quite easy to tip over. Here we go, going through on 3 wheels. And Pierre, throttle control boy, I just said that. So he slipped off his line, he slipped to the left, but we tried to help him get through and he made it look easy. Look at that, no dramas, through she goes. Here we go, in the Pajero. So I dropped down about 2 weeks prior from 33s to 31s. And I just went up slowly and dropped back again to check clearance. I was expecting to knock something. Luckily not, still plenty of clearance with that 50mm lift as well and the EFS suspension. Alright, Pierre taking another red line. Lots of little rocks and shaly stones and stuff, so quite easy to spin. But a nice, smooth approach, and up he goes.
It's a sharp turn, eh? You must turn sharp. Yeah, you must...
Listen to your wife, Pierre. Don't get distracted by that beautiful backdrop.
You're fine.
And
Tire.
over he goes with that back left
You're
tire.
climbing the rock.
So you'll see in the background there's all the obstacles running parallel to each other. So it's a really nice place to bring the dogs. You know, you can bring the family, bring the kids, everybody can walk around if they don't want to sit in the car. You're not going to leave them behind going up into the mountains. Everything runs pretty much parallel to each other. So it took us about 2.5 hours to complete the course. We took it really slow. And then throughout the day, Pierre started getting more confidence and going through the obstacles quicker. Up we go and to the left. Well done, Pierre. Yeah, you'll see all the loose and shaly rocks. So it is quite easy to slide off here if you hit the brakes too hard. Oh, beautiful, nice and slow approach. Look at that.
You're fine.
So you'll see the bumper edging closer to the front there. After this video, he actually built himself a bumper and it came out really well. That will obviously improve the approach angle for the next trip that we go on.
Rocco.
So guys, you can come to this course, you can bring a standard vehicle, you don't need modifications. All you need is a good attitude and to come have some fun, that's it. So yeah, Pierre's on another steep climb. There we go, made it look easy. Oops, hey, I said up, not down, what you doing, boy? Up you go. This is quite a steep decline as well. So I almost decided not to do it, but yeah, I generally don't have ears when it comes to that. So quite easy to slide down into the left here. You'll see just a bit of a skid from me. And knock in that toe ridge at the end, but nothing serious, that's why it's there. The water crossing. The whole week I'd been revving Pierre up that it's so deep and it's going to be over his bonnet. I don't think the Ford can handle it. And he was really nervous the whole week. But as you can see, it's not too deep. It's got a firm base, guys, yeah. As long as you don't splash, and get it into the intake, you're fine.
Go, 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 go!
Look at that. Just idling through. The base is really hard. And it did give me a funny look afterwards, as if, you know, what's wrong with you, man? Round 2. And into reverse he goes.
Reversing in the water.
And Rocco trying to catch up to Daddy. Look at him. Oh, he was full of mud at the end of the day. Listen to this exhaust. There's nothing like a diesel exhaust. I'm just in love. So we're approaching the end of the track. We've got 1 or 2 more obstacles. But overall, guys, just a really, really nice place where you can come learn your vehicle. You won't do damage. Just remember basic things like, you know, a tire deflator. And you don't need a compressor. There is a fuel station down the road where you can go pump up. Tire pressure is obviously important. Gives you more traction. Protects your sidewalls as well. So this last little section is technically placed so that you can articulate and get wheel lift. And, you'll see the difference. The only thing that helped Pia up on this one in the Ford was the side steps. They scratched a couple of times, but like I said, there was no damage, luckily. There's a couple of lines through this section, and if you choose it nicely, you can lift your wheels right off of the ground. And through we go. So you'll see on the back tire deflated to about 1 bar, and the tire just has the ability then to mold over whatever obstacle you're going over and protect your sidewall, like I said, and enhances grip. There we go, little second gear low range bit of power, just as a sharp turn to the left. And that's it, guys. Thank you for joining us.